Out here in the shop today working on the C10, taking a break from the Suburban. Getting ready to put some exhaust on this thing, so we'll be one step closer to firing it up and breaking it in. Still got the factory manifolds on it, so we just cut the original pipes off and clean those up. We're going to get some adapters to go to 2.5 inch pipe, and then we're going to run 2.5 inch duals all the way out the back, turn them out behind the back tires. So that's what we're working on today. Just center that up if you can. Very good. Very good.
Don't that muffler take this up?
Yeah, it's muffler too.
I'd say that's not bad. Not bad, not too bad. And we can run back here and grab a hanger.
That would go basically just like that. Have to turn it a little bit to keep it off the floor.
Okay, here's what I do. Grab a clamp, throw it around right here.
Real strategic.
Good? Yep. Where do you want that? Oh wait, was we gonna come out in front of the tire?
Depends on if you want to come out in front of the tire or not.
I feel like that would be a...
No. Should hold it.
Yeah.
Alright, got this side all welded up. We went from the factory pipe, went to a reducer down to our 2.5 inch, and then we just went back onto the outside of the frame because that's how these will run on these trucks because of this big cross member. And then we got it turned out right in front of the back tire. Now we just got to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, got the other side of the exhaust welded up. Didn't record much because it was exactly the same as the other side. So that comes outside the frame right there, and then we got our hanger mounted to the body mount there, and then it just turns out in front of the rear wheel. So from the outside of the truck, you don't really see it. We'll probably end up painting these mufflers black, but I mean, that's just how kind of where they got to go on these trucks. So I think it turned out pretty good. Hopefully they'll be happy with it. We can't show you how it sounds because the motor's not ready to run yet. Hopefully soon we'll be able to get this thing running. Thanks for watching this video. Let us know what you think. Get down in the comments, and then maybe in the next one we'll either be working on this or we'll be back on the Suburban. Turns out the motor was a total loss, so hopefully get a new one of those coming in pretty soon. But see ya in the next one.